Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something it is completely done through a sequence of steps. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or steps. There are three definitions about procedure text. 1. Text that explain how something works or how to use instructions or operations manual. For example, how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, the fax. 2. Text that instructs how to do a particular activity. For example, recipe, rules for games, science experiment, road safety rules. 3. Texts that deal with human behavior. For example, how to live happily, how to success. Generic structure. Goal. For example, how to make spaghetti. Material or ingredient. For example, the material to cook omelette are egg, onion, vegetable oil. Step. For example, first, wash the tomatoes, onion. Second, cut the onions become slices. Language features. Use adverbial of sequence using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, the last. Use command imperative sentence. For example, put the noodle on the, cut the onion, wash the tomatoes. Using adverbials to express detail the time, place, manner, and accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours. Using actions verbs. For example, make, take, boil, cook. Using simple present tense. Example of procedure text. How to make tomato soup. Ingredients: eggs, cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, small clove garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of butter, 4 large tomatoes, spices, 1 small onion, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Steps: firstly, cut tomatoes, onion, and garlic into small pieces. Then fry them in a frying pan with butter for 5 minutes. After that, add water, spices, salt, and pepper. Next, heat until the water boils. And the last, turn down the heat and cover with lid. Cook gently for 1 hour. Questions. Number 1. What is the functions of the text above? Apa fungsi teks di atas? Jawabannya adalah how to make tomato soup atau cara membuat sup tomat. Number 2. What is the first thing to do to make tomato soup? Apa yang pertama kali kamu lakukan untuk membuat sup? Jawabannya adalah cut tomatoes, onions, and garlic into small pieces. Jawaban tersebut ada di bagian step. Number 3. How many cups of water are needed? Berapa gelas air yang dibutuhkan? Jawabannya adalah 8 cups of water atau 8 gelas air. Jawaban tersebut ada di bagian ingredients number 1. Number 4. What should we do after adding water, spices, salt, and pepper? Apa yang harus kita lakukan setelah menambahkan air, bumbu, garam, dan merica? Jawabannya adalah heat until the water boils atau rebus air sampai mendidih. Number 5. Where do we fry tomatoes, onion, and garlic? Di mana kita menggoreng tomat, bawang bombay, dan bawang putih? Jawabannya adalah in a frying pan atau di penggorengan.